Today I'm going to show you how to make pork and apple sausage rolls. You will need 500 grams of sausage meat or 8 sausages, 500 grams of puff pastry, 200 grams of apples chopped and peeled, 1 egg and some plain flour. Firstly, you want to peel and chop your apples into as smaller cubes as you can possibly get. Then, having floured out your work surface, you want to roll out your puff pastry. You want to roll it out until it is a long rectangle. Then chop your long rectangle in half. Then you want to place your sausage meat in the middle of each rectangle. If you're using sausages, just remove the skins beforehand. Then press the chopped apple into the top of the sausage meat, trying to make sure that all of the sausage meat has chopped apple around it. Then, having pre-beaten your egg, you want to egg wash one side of each rectangle. Then fold over the pastry, pushing down as you go. If any of the apples kind of fall out at this point, don't worry about it. Then go along the side of each rectangle with a fork, just pressing down. This is so then it seals the side of each rectangle, but also it looks quite nice. Then chop your sausage rolls into the size pieces that you want. I went for bite size, but you can go for a longer. Then arrange this on a pre-lined baking tray. And just brush the tops with the remaining egg. And then in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted, bake for 35 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make pork and apple sausage rolls.